We got more boxes this week, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. My name is Tyler. Today we're going to be unboxing some wonderful things from our friends over at BEACN. So shout out to BEACN for sending us not only the legendary BEACN Mic, but also their BEACN Mix, and then the BEACN Mix Create. So we'll dive a little bit more into these, but also this. I don't know what his name is, but he's super cute, and now I'm going to stick him in my YouTube set. So sweet. Let's unbox. Let's put him over here. Excellent. All right, so I want to dive into the mic first. I feel like that's the thing that most people have probably heard about. If you don't know a lot about BEACN, I don't either. They're a newer company in the audio space, but what I can tell you is that the guy that started the company was one of the guys that designed the Go XLR. So if you're familiar with the Go XLR and you're a streamer, that guy helped and developed this thing. And I got a chance to try it at a friend's house, and I was blown away because if you remember my video on the Rode XTM100, which is a USB-C mic, I had high hopes for it. I didn't love it because the Rode Unify software wasn't great. This is also a USB-C microphone, and my first thought was, oh boy, is it going to be not good? But after trying it, it was really good. So let's dive into it. Pretty sick packaging here, a little sleeve. Check that out. Wonderful. I think we gotta slice it open. Do I have a knife nearby? I'm not prepared. This is every time my unboxings are like this. If you saw the Ally unboxing, it was the same deal, but I'm trying my best, all right? I'm trying to do better. All right, let's go ahead and crack this open. Oh, wow. Oh, there you go. If you want to keep in touch with BEACN, there's all of their things. You want to check them out. Right off the top, you've got a super duper Apple wound up cable. Apple as in because Apple usually does. They usually wrap their cables like that. But it's a super long USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's check that out. This thing is every bit of like 15 foot. So you'll be able to slink this wherever you need it to go. So that's nice that exists. You've got a 3.5 millimeter, what looks like a 3.5 millimeter extension cable. Always useful. I use them all the time, as a matter of fact, because of my current streaming setup, which, by the way, I think I'll be doing my first Kick stream tonight. Assuming this video goes up today, probably won't, but you know what? You should go check me out on Kick and Twitch anyway, because that's kind of what these BEACN products are designed for. They're designed for streamers. They're designed for creators. Not to say you couldn't use them for your office, but generally speaking, more marketed toward streamers. You've got a USB-C to USB-A dongle little thing here. These always come in handy, so nice to have those around. Let's see. Now, the mic. Look at that. Pretty straightforward. It's a nice size. It's wrapped in some plastic, or some paper, I should say. Kind of just slide it off. Oh, nice. Love that. And there you go. There's the BEACN mic. This whole part right here lights up, and maybe we'll actually, you know, maybe we'll try it out tonight. Maybe we'll plug it up. We'll get her set up. There's your audio out, so you can monitor through your headphones. You got your USB-C, which will do power and everything else. So yeah, it looks a lot like the Shure SM7B, which I'm sure they get that a lot. So if you've seen that mic, which I'm sure you have, this looks pretty similar to that, I would say. I'm already dismantling it, which is probably not a good idea, but hey, why not? BEACN, if you're watching this, I'm sorry if I'm breaking your mic. Ooh. That looks really important, so I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to put that back. And that's pretty much it. Silicone gel packet, classic. And that's it. That's it for the box. Very simple, very straightforward. Let's open the mix first. So I'm actually going to move the microphone off to the side as well. So let's go ahead and open the mix. Now this is kind of like, I guess, what you would consider like a standard mixer. You know, it's got knobs and it's got a screen on it, so you can control volume and things of that nature. Kind of similar to what you'd see on like a Rodecaster or a Go XLR or something of that nature. But this is BEACN's take on it, and there's a couple really cool features that I want to dive into at some point that makes this a little bit more special. So, same deal. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Ooh, I love the red, dude. I love the presentation there. Very neat. Looks like it's got some setup stuff right here on the front of the box, so that's convenient. Definitely won't miss that. Very cool. And of course, I went for the white because I don't know what it is about white lately, but white peripherals just look really good. I got a little glue or something right there. More silica gel and another USB-C to USB-A cable. So it looks like everything from Beacn is going to be USB-C, which is what you'd expect in today's world. So let's go ahead and move the box over. And there you go. It looks like it's probably like a, I don't know, 5-inch display, maybe something of that nature. It's very thin, right? First thing I notice. There isn't any mounting on it, so you know, unless you're getting like some sort of a phone grip or something that could hold on to this, you're gonna have to sit it on your table. But that's totally fine because the angle, you guys can see the angle of it. It's set so that, you know, it looks directly at you, which is perfect. Got these little knobs. So you got these 4 knobs on here. They feel pretty good. Do they come off? Maybe they come off. I'm not gonna play with it too much, but pretty nice. They don't click. They're de-clicked, if you know what that means. They're basically just super smooth. And this is where you'll control your volumes for those 4 different channels. And then from what I understand, if you click these, it mutes those individual channels. Designed, engineered, and assembled in Canada, in case you wanted to know. So that's the BEACN Create, and now BEACN Mix. This is the BEACN Mix Create. Got my stuff mixed up. I already sliced this one open, so bear with me, but it says on the front here, I'm trying to figure out which way my camera's oriented, be heard. So let's go ahead and dive into this. Now again, very similar. You got this nice red instructions and stuff like there. 3 simple, easy steps, and we'll find out if it's that simple because we learned our lesson with the Rode that it wasn't necessarily that simple, and a lot of it came down to the software. I've heard a lot about the software for BEACN, so I'm really excited to give it a shot. And here is the Create. Again, another USB-C to USB-A cable. Set that aside. More silica gel in case you wanted some more. Drop that off right there, and there you go. These are 2 very similar devices. I'm sad that they don't line up, I guess, unless you put them this way. That's pretty cool. This feels very futuristic. I kind of like it. And if you've got a Stream Deck like I do, you can also set that up next to it, and then you can go absolutely hog wild with all your clicky, dial-y buttons. Now the Create has a couple other buttons here, which I'm not entirely sure what they do yet, but we will obviously figure that out as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 knobs, just like you do on the standard, but you also got some extra little buttons here, slightly bigger screen. But other than that, pretty much the same deal. USB-C in the back, no mounting or anything like that. It's ideal that you just sit it on your desk, assuming you have desk space for that. And again, the angle in which the screen is pointed at you is like perfect. So if you were to set this up on your desk, you know, you would have everything kind of laid out for you. So that is all the things that they sent me. But you know what? Let's go ahead and let's plug them up. Okay, real quick. So I plugged everything into the Mac, and I didn't realize that the Mac version of the BEACN app, I guess, isn't out yet. But I did get it set up on my streaming PC. So apologies for that, but we'll do some B-roll so you guys can see what it looks like, boot it up. Obviously, I'm gonna do a full review. I'm actually going to go ahead and do a test drive with it this evening on my stream just to see what everything sounds like, see what everyone thinks of it. Obviously, we'll do a deeper dive into it as I get to learn more, but that just goes to show you. Obviously, I'm super new to the BEACN ecosystem. I'm super excited to learn more about it, all the features it has to offer. I had a great conversation with them, and I am excited. So when it comes out for the Mac, we'll also try it on the Mac as well. But for now, we're gonna stick to keeping it on Windows. And yes, thank you guys for coming along on this. Again, another chaotic unboxing video. But hey, did you like this video? Do you like the chaos? Let me know. Make sure to subscribe, of course. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And as always, I already said to subscribe, but I'm gonna say it again. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And follow me on all the things. I'm gonna put them down here somewhere. You know, Twitch, Instagram, Twitter. I guess Kick now, whatever. You know, I'm trying to be everywhere all at the same time. It's a lot, but thank you again, BEACN, for sending everything over. I'm super excited to play with it. The software is insane. I'm sure I'll flash up some sort of, you know, clip of that. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get it set up for the stream tonight, and I will catch you guys very soon. See you around. Peace.